Hello class 2 students. From your English grammar book, we have learnt what? Verbs and when to use is, are, am. Now what we will do is, we will form questions out of what? So now we already know when to use is and what? Are. Today we learn to form questions beginning with is and are. So when you make questions with is and are, we get we get answers with yes or no. For example, I'll show you. So here I'm beginning with are. Are you late today? So your answer will be what? Yes or no. I am not. Okay. But this is what you are giving me answer either with yes or no. But if I ask you, why are you late today? So what answer you will give? You have to give the reason. So your answer will not be yes or no. You have to give the detail why are you late today, because of so and so reason. So here you see the first question and second question. Here in the second, are is used to know the reason why you are late. Here are is also used here, but so here you see are is the beginning of the question. So are you late today? So your answer will be what? Yes or no, whatever. But here are. Before are, I'm asking you the reason why. So your answer will be something different. It will not be one word or two word answer. Okay, you have to give the reason. Now next one, let's see with is. Now look here, number 3. Is he your teacher? So your answer can be yes or no again, okay? Yes or no. He is not. He is not. But if I ask you, who is your teacher? So what? What you have to do? You have to write in detail the teacher name and all. Right. But here you see is here also used, is here also used. But in this fourth sentence question, you see who is placed before is. So we want to know who is your teacher. And I just want to know yes or no. So the question here begins with is. Is he your teacher? So answer will be one of two words, yes or no. If the question is your school bag black? So what you will say? Yes, then comma. Okay, remember yes or no whenever you give, you write put comma. No, yes, my school bag is what? Black. So children, I hope you have understood is and are when we make questions. What type of answer we'll get. So now what we will do, from your English grammar book, turn to page 25. So as we do this exercise, we'll come to know much more in detail. Okay. Now children, from your grammar book, page number 25. Here the questions are being already named with is and are. And let's see how we'll give the answers. Number 3. Look at the pictures and answer the questions using the word groups given in the box. So here you see the box and what? The answers are given here. Now, here you see A, B, C, D till E. The questions are given with is or are, and we'll write the answers. We'll take the answers from this box. So let's begin. Now look at the first one. Is Tina dancing? Okay. The boy is asking the girl, is Tina dancing? And then look at the picture here. Is she dancing? No. She has got something else. Let's see here. She is singing a song. That means she is not dancing. So answer will be what? No. Okay. No. Then comma. She is not. Okay. No, she is not. Okay. Then, so here the girl is saying that what? No, she is not. But what she is doing? She is singing a song. She is specifying it. Okay. Number B. Are Rahul and Ashish at home? That means what? Talking about two people. Who are these? Rahul and Ashish. So, which word is used here? Are. When we are questioning, are Rahul and Ashish at home? Let's see. And the answer is what? Dash. No or yes. We'll see later. Let's read the second part. They are playing in the park. That means what? They are not at home. So, what we will write? No. And then comma. Since we are talking about two people, they, so we will write no, they are not. Isn't it? They are not. They are playing in the park. Now, number C. Is Uncle Dev a doctor? So she is asking, is Uncle Dev a doctor? What is his answer? Let's read the second part of the answer. He is a policeman. That means he is not a doctor. So, answer will be what? No. He is not. Right? Now, number D. Are you going to a party? She's asking. Her answer is what? Yes. So, yes. She's talking about herself. I am. And then full stop. Let's see number E. Are you coming out to play? Friend is asking the other friend. And she says no. No, I am not. Why? Because I want to finish my homework first. Okay. So here you see answer is what? I am not. But she wants to specify that she wants to finish her. She wants to give the reason that I want to finish my homework first. Okay. Now let's move to page 26. Now page 26, number 4. Read the sentences given below. Let's read sentence A and B. Smita is happy. Okay. Sentence B is what? Is Smita happy? So you see, is what? When we ask question, is placed before the noun. Is Smita happy? Before the name. So it becomes a question. Now, sentence A tells us something. It is a statement. Okay. Sentence B asks something. It is a question. So, we want to know whether is Smita happy. Okay. Smita is happy is a statement. And is Smita happy becomes what? Questions. Now, Ankit and Shivi are going to school. It is a statement. Sentence. Okay. Now, if this are goes before the name, these two names, what it becomes? Are Ankit and Shivi going to school? Yes, they are going to school, or no, they are not going to school. When we are looking for the answer with yes or no. Now, let's do number 5. read the answers and ask suitable questions using is or are. Okay, so this portion you will do as your homework. First one, I'll read it for you. Coming to the park, the boy is asking. So the girl is saying, no, I am going to the market. So what the sentence will begin with is or are. You have to frame the questions with is or are. Next answer is no, my parents are not home yet. No, my parents are not home yet. So with which word you will frame question is or are. Now the last one. No, dinner is not ready yet. So your question begins with what? Is your dinner ready or are your dinner ready? So kindly frame the correct questions. And then page 26 will be your homework. I think there are only 3 questions that you have to frame. So very simple. Kindly do it, children. Till we meet again. Take care.